Want to know how to change your username in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and in a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. And once you've done that, make sure you are logged in as well. We have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in to Replit, here you should be seeing on the top left side, you should be seeing this icon right here, so you can just simply select it. So once you have selected this icon here, you should be seeing account or profile or notifications, so you can just simply select account right here on top. And now once you select account here, you should be seeing your profile, so you can just simply change your username only once through CLI, but your first name and last name can easily be changed right here, and you can just simply save changes right here. So you can also add a bio and save changes, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.